I came into needing the help of pro bono work. I was dealing with a stage 4 breast cancer diagnosis and a husband that was not who I thought I had married. I started to notice that there was an alcohol problem in my marriage with my husband. I noticed that he suffered from extreme PTSD, and down to the last couple of months of our marriage, we had had the police called to our residence multiple times. Multiple times I lied to the police. I told them I wasn't in fear for my life. I told them that nothing had happened, nothing abusive had happened, knowing that I was lying and I was in danger. I couldn't just give up. I couldn't give up. I had to reach out. I had to find somebody that would hear what I had to say. I came down to the law firm and I poured my heart out, and they heard it. I found hope that day. I found strength.
So when I met Callie, she started telling me some of her story, and I met her in February, and I learned that in December her husband had lied to the police so that she would get arrested on a partner and family member assault charge, and that she had spent a night in jail and spent some time without a home and without any possessions. That her husband had been trying to take money out of her bank account and leave her with nothing. That she hadn't seen her dogs for months. She considers her dogs to be like her children. After the criminal charge, her husband filed for divorce, and after that, Callie spent a few weeks in the hospital because she was really sick. The stress was putting a lot of extra burden on her health, and because of that, she was late to file her response to the divorce. And if she hadn't gotten legal help pretty soon after that, then the divorce could have ended with the judge ordering a final dissolution without Callie ever getting to tell her side of the story or getting anything from the divorce that she needed. And the worst part of it was, if the divorce had gone through, Callie would have lost her health insurance.
And she assured me that it was okay, that we were going to get through it, and that's exactly what happened.
The judge threw out the restraining order against Callie because it was nonsense, and ordered a restraining order against her husband. Her husband was purposefully using the legal system in order to control her and manipulate her, and I think really ruin her life in any way that he could. But I'd never seen a case like this that more showed the need for everyone to have access to legal services, and what can happen to people if they don't have somebody to defend them when someone is using the legal system to attack them.
I don't know how I would have been able to do any of this without the pro bono services that MSLA offers. I feel that if I didn't have the opportunity to work with the lawyers that I have, I wouldn't have health insurance. I wouldn't have my dogs that keep me going. They get me out, they get me walking, they keep me active, they keep me smiling, they keep my heart full. I think I would have given up at some point if there wouldn't have been the light that there was at the time that there was. It was what I needed.